we are going to explore some cool Zentangle art. Let us start off by drawing a simple sketch, sun and waves. These waves are triangular and I have drawn them this way just to make them a little different from the usual wave design. Zentangle is a fun way to create beautiful drawings with simple repetitive patterns. Did you know that Zentangle is a form of meditative drawing? It is all about relaxing and letting your pen flow. You don't need to be an expert, anyone can do it, and it's all about having fun while drawing. Watch how I use simple shapes to build up a cool design. We just take it one line at a time. Remember, there is no right or wrong in Zentangle. You can make your lines thick or thin, close together or far apart. Just go with what feels right for you. I usually love to draw doodles, and I honestly have not really explored a lot of Zentangles before, so these are my first few ones, and I am really loving drawing them, and I'm gonna draw many more for all of you. So stay tuned. Thanks for drawing with me today. Let me know in the comments how you liked this and what else you'd like me to draw.